Hello students, in this video we will take one numerical problem related to Heron's formula. Problem is a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Solving this problem, first we should draw the rough diagram of this field quadrilateral. Since I see here angle C is 90 degree, that means if this is the C point, so this will be 90 degree. First we should make it 90 degree. Since BC equal to 12 meter, BC, suppose this is the B and C, this is the 12 meter. CD equal to 5 meter, CD, BCD, suppose this is the 5 meter, this is the D, 5 meter. AD equal to 8 meter, A to D 8 meter, that means suppose this is the A and AD equal to 8 meter. Since here AB equal to, this is the A, AB equal to 9 meter, that means this is the AB 9 meter. Now all information I write here. AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. Angle C equal to 90 degree. Now I want to find the area of this quadrilateral with the help of Heron's formula. Now there are two criteria, there are two conditions by which you can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. If we join AC and BD, if you join AC, then this quadrilateral divide into two triangles, and if you join BD, then also it divide into two triangles. But if you join AC, then it will be divided into two triangles, but length of AC you can't find because there is no clue how to find the length of AC. But if you join BD, that means this diagonal, then you can find the length of BD, because in triangle BCD this angle is 90 degree, so you should be apply in triangle BCD Pythagoras theorem and you can find the length of BD. Then you can apply the Heron's formula for finding the area of both separate triangles. Then adding, you can get the area of triangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now here first join BD. Now in triangle BCD, this triangle is right angle triangle. Therefore, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Here BC equal to 12 square plus CD, that is 5 square. This will be 144 plus 25 equal to 169. Therefore, BD will be root under 169 means 13 meter. Here length of BD equal to 13 meter. Now in triangle BCD, you can find the area of this particular triangle by the 1/2 base into height, because this is the right angle triangle, or by the help of Heron's formula. But area of triangle ABD will be always by the Heron's formula, because this is not isosceles, this is not equilateral, or this is not right angle triangle. Understood? So you should be apply the formula for finding area of triangle Heron's in triangle ABD. Therefore, we can write area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of right angle triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Since area of triangle ABCD is right angle, so we can apply 1/2 base into height plus area of triangle ABD. Apply the Heron's formula. Since as you know that Heron's formula is S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, where S is the half of perimeter of triangle ABD. First find here what is the S. Since S equal to A plus B plus C whole upon 2, here A equal to 13 plus B equal to 8 plus C equal to 9 whole upon 2. 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 13 30 upon 2 equal to 15 meter, and A equal to 13 meter, B equal to 8 meter, and C equal to 9 meter. Now putting the value of A, B, C and S in this formula, and here B means base, that means this is the 5, and H means height, this is the 12. So this will be 1/2 into 5 into 12 plus root under S. S means 15. 15 minus 13. 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 9. This will be equal to, cancel 12/2. This will be 6. 6 into 5. 30 plus, this will be root under 15 into 15 minus 13, 2 into 15 minus 8, 7 into 15 minus 9, this will be 6. Now here write 30 plus root under, you can write 15, 3 into 5 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 2. 30 plus, since 3 into 3, this is the pair, so this will become outside 3. 2 into 2, this is also in pair, this will become out of this square root, into root under 5 and 7 not in pair, so this will be root under 35. This will be 30 plus 6 root under 35, or if you take 6 as a common, so this will be 5 plus root under 35 square unit. This is the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Now in the next video we will take some other numerical problems related to Heron's formula.